Welcome to Learning with the Girlfriends Basics for Beginners. Now today we're going to learn how to place the bobbin into your sewing machine, and I'm going to be demonstrating on the Janome 2030 DC. And placing the bobbin on your machine may look a little different, but overall the process is the same on any sewing machine. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this lesson, I'm going to be using a top-loading bobbin. And for that purpose, I need to make sure that my thread is going in the correct direction. So if you take a look at my bobbin that is already wound, you'll notice that the thread is coming off to the left-hand side. In fact, if you take a really good look at it, it almost looks as if it is forming the letter P. So keep that in mind as we load this bobbin into the machine. We'll go ahead and open up the little lid here. So I simply place my bobbin down into that top loader. As I pull this around, you're going to notice that there's this little tiny notch. That's where I want my thread to hook into. I'm going to go ahead and grab that thread, bringing it over to the left-hand side and up and around. Now your bobbin case may look a little different, where you may even have a cutter right here on the side to be able to trim your thread. That's great. If you have the little cutter, go ahead and use that right now. If you don't, it's perfectly okay to let that thread just hang out, and we're going to place that lid back on top. Now when I go to sew, no worries. This thread is going to be grabbed and pulled right into that sewing thread path, and you are going to be golden. Thanks for learning with the girlfriends, and happy sewing! Follow our channel for even more helpful tutorials and tips for beginning sewers.